A city built on dreams, a city where stars are born. But today the lights of Hollywood are threatened by an unrelenting force of nature. In the heart of Los Angeles, the flames rise higher, fueled by wind, dry conditions, and an unforgiving landscape. The iconic Hollywood sign, a symbol of hope and ambition, stands in peril. Once a beacon of dreams for millions, it now faces its greatest challenge. As the fire spreads, it threatens not just land but history itself, homes, livelihoods, and the very spirit of this city. Brave heroes rush to protect what cannot be replaced. Firefighters, first responders, and volunteers work tirelessly, knowing that every minute counts. Against overwhelming odds, they fight, driven by their duty to safeguard the heart of this city. As night falls, the glow of the fire illuminates the cityscape, a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable power. Lives are disrupted, families evacuated, streets empty as smoke blankets the skies, and a sense of uncertainty lingers. But in the face of destruction, there is resilience. The people of Los Angeles unite, reaching out to support those in need. Though the flames may fade, the scars will remain, but so too will the courage, the unity, and the unwavering spirit of Los Angeles. Hollywood may burn, but it will never be consumed. This city rises again and again from the ashes. This is Los Angeles, resilient, unbroken, forever shining bright.